Today, we'll show you how to assemble and use an Ejwox Fruit Press. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content just like this. Thank you. Unpack the box. Attach the wooden crossbars to the metal hoops with short screws. Screw the fitting plate to the press plate. To use it, first fasten it to something solid. Attach the center bolt. Set the drum over the base. Line the inside with a fine strainer mesh brew bag. Fill the brew bag with fruit. Fold in the brew bag and put the two-piece wooden plate, wooden spacer blocks and pressing plate on top. Screw on the screw knob and insert the connecting rod. Turn the screw knob by rotating the connecting rod. This will lower the pressing plates to press the juice out of the fruit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you.